A bit of urban exploring in here. If you can't tell, we got a little bit of weight in the vehicle. She's sagging a little low from that magnet fishing trip we just got done with. We're in the outdoors. Stay hydrated. Let's pit stop until we get home. It's a little busted up in there. Man, someone broke the mirror. Got something bad as your luck. Garage is shut. Man, someone had to use a bottle instead of the toilet. Woo. Every single pothole, every single crack has weeds. Some have trees.
I think we need to call the maintenance man, Anthony. This definitely looks like it was built after 1974 though, doesn't it? It's all right. Look at this though. Head through here, see if there's like a
old cobblestone wall, retaining wall.
I recognize this. I've never seen this before. Oh, I forgot that one.
Oh, there's more stuff up top.
Yeah, there is. That's actually where one of the old wheels were. Here a bit. I don't have my light. I have all my stuff for another adventure that I'm planning on going here tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Take a little peek. Oh no. That looks like an ordinary house. Yeah, it's, I don't have lights, so. Yeah, you think it's beating the hill quite a bit.
Homeless person stand. Got their tent in there. Well, it's finished. Ceiling's just been collapsing down on it.
Yeah, it doesn't look too old to me.
Steel building, and they just finished the inside. It's got PVC. It's actually fairly newer.
Yeah, I'd say post 74 for sure. Because all the other buildings, oh look. Wow.
It's got the furnace, 2 furnaces.
Yeah.
Looks like it was mostly all hung ceiling.
Yeah.
Shit collapses fast when it gets moisture. And then kids got in here destroying shit and throwing stuff and beating up stuff. And, yeah.
Very, very graphic.
They're well testers.
Well tested.
That's where they test the water.
Yeah, right here. I think this is the condom plant. No, this is not.
On the road! Hey, we've got a staircase going up right there. I think that might take you up to that.
Yeah, this is the condom hole.
Oh yeah, there's a whole freaking house up there.
I remember there's other steps.
Ooh, man, who wants to go swimming? Who wants to jump in? It looks awesome. Not. We got a railroad bridge or something over there. That's pretty sweet. We'll go over there and take a look at it in a minute. We're gonna meet Zan on top of the hill here. Fast mode. Fast as you can, fast as you can. Fast mode. Hole?
House is right here.
Oh. Man, who wants to go down there? Look at all the piping. Smelly.
But there's a lot more plants since the last time I came through here.
Yeah, what tank is this one?
That?
Big old tank here. Ooh, ouch. Pickers.
Flywheel, basically. I don't know exactly what this building used to be for, but I wonder if that generated power.
Could.
That's literally basically equivalent to a generator.
Yeah, I don't see an electrical on it though.
Probably got stripped.
Because you got another manhole cover out there.
Oh yeah, you do.
I guess there's a motor over there, so it's probably what turned it. There could be a water valve.
Oh yeah, it could be.
Open and shut water valve.
And then down there's a shit ton of condos. They're all over this way.
Well, they got excited. These trees are literally growing around the metal. Multiple of them are. Pretty sweet. Another lovely swamp-filled hole. There's froggies down there. Oh, see froggies. A lot of piping. Right here. Who wants to jump in and go swimming? I mean, look at all these nice filled pools here. Just full of nice green algae water. Swim, swim. The tools are gone, man. The tools are gone.
I can't see very well. You guys on the GoPro can probably see a little better.
Ooh.
I know.
Water meters, I'm thinking. Pressure gauges.
That makes sense. Yeah, pressure gauges, maybe.
You are daring getting on stuff that's old and rusty. Who says this? Yeah, it could be all hollow underneath. That sounds like metal to me.
I'm not on it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, those almost look like scale weights in there.
Yeah,
they are scale weights. That's what this is, giant scales.
Whoa.
Probably for measuring barrel weight.
Yeah.
55-gallon drums would sit on these things.
That makes sense.
And these are old scales to set your weight and everything else to figure out if your barrels are full and what they weight-wise.
Yeah, I would have not figured that out.
That's what they are, just old scale weights.
I would have not. I would totally remember this.
We even got the old weights in there. And it still moves. Sweet. Let's go over this one here. Too bad they broke them. Throwing stuff at them. This one even has the scale weight increment in there to move to change your. But this one's locked in place. That's what that is.
Wow. In there, it's funny. I think.
Go swimming.
Oh yeah, she floated. I heard a crack. I didn't hear a splash.
I heard the splash.
I'm gonna get down and get a better. With still water, that can be very dangerous. It would be like rain in there.
I hear water.
Oh, it splashed me. It's cold.
We can send them angels and the all-seeing eye. There's a demon.
So we're looking here. Some interesting graffiti, Illuminati, whatever that is.
Got power. Cooling fan. Don't know how safe it is to step on this, seeing it's pretty hollow sounding, and it's just sheet steel. It's been sitting here for who knows how many years. But look at that pump motor over there. Got some gears. Got some more concrete cylinders there.
What'd you find over here?
I wouldn't step on that.
Oh no, I wouldn't.
She sounds pretty hollow. We got kind of valves. Another electric motor over here. Whatever that thing is.
I'm playing it risky.
You're a lot more risky than I am. Man, start, stop, switch is still on it. Should we see if it fires up?
I've been back here. Why do I not remember that? Another thing I haven't seen here.
So what happens when you come out at night time instead of the day?
Huh?
So it always happens when you come out at night.
I've been down here during the day.
Tree growing right through the middle of this puppy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I wonder what this led to.
The tree's just been
Playing
growing around the steps.
solid. Wow. I have to see a lot through here. What are all these trees? You got a building over there?
Well, you got to figure when this was in operation, none of these trees were here.
Yeah, true. It was all gone. All these trees were here after 1974, basically. That's where the tunnels are.
We have, looks like a shower,
This looks like a little like
locker room,
right here.
maybe,
No, I think this may have been like a little like break room almost.
office chairs. Man, we got the demons hanging out again.
Oh yeah. Great. Hey, there we go.
Hey, my desk.
Got that 420 room.
Yeah, there's more swimming. That one has no algae in it. I wonder why. I wonder what kind of chemicals are hanging out in that one.
I want to know. Some of these don't have any on you.
Yeah, no.
Take a quick peek downstairs.
Got bricks falling off the building. That's access to all the tanks out here. Right out this door. Man, someone's bedroom. We can see outside.
Don't go in there, it's like a wasp nest. It's a small one.
Man, sad sink. It's really sad. We got a sad child there too. Then we got a happy face.
Okay, yeah. Going down here's not a good idea.
Full of water.
No, not full of water, but there's standing water. About
Mosquitoes.
2 inches.
Old raw iron. That thing does not move railing.
Take a peek.
Look at how they used to make it before they fall apart on you. Both sides are still standing.
Little peek down there. There's tunnels.
Don't fall in.
Like that, they're open up. Piece of metal, we're covered it.
We got the power box. We got the hot water heater. Oh no, that's a transformer. The shell of one.
Yeah, there's a transformer back there.
That's just the shell for a transformer. The case.
Back there, you got the box.
Got a bunch of sheet metal.
Got a bunch.
All right here.
You would love these insulators.
Oh, the power box, the generator's gone.
Yeah, those got stripped. Look at those.
Oh yeah, old power poles.
They're nice ones.
Or no, this is a loading dock maybe.
Yeah, I thought
There's the wash tank, or the water tanks, waste tanks. We got another 2 buildings over here. I don't know if we can get into this access on this side or not. You guys can see that. Walls all exposed and open. Got another tank that's full of water right there. Some steel racking. Tank full of water with a metal tank in the middle and a 55-gallon drum floating.
There we go.
Ooh, go swimming.
Found our swimming pool. It's really hot out.
Oh yeah, it's up and warm. I want to see you go swimming in that puppy.
Oh, there's stairs going to it.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Boop.
I'm amazed it didn't bounce off that LG.
Look at all the cans floating in there. Someone's been drinking up top.
Telling me you can have my bachelor party here?
You can if you want. Not really in the sun. There's a big old generator in that building. There's a big old pump.
Kind of pulled a couple of chairs and stuff out with the hook. Let's go first. Be careful of the little hole right there.
Jump, jump, jump.
Let's go in here before we do that. It does say something right there. 1968 or something like that on that. That's pretty cool.
We got the poisonous mushroom. We got the dead bunny. Hey, there's the stairs going down.
Yeah.
Who wants to go swimming?
I mean, I see a little predicament down there. Kind of missing a base, isn't it?
Nah. That's the quick elevator down.
Oh yeah, that's right. The last floor.
Yep. Man, there's the big old electric motor. Someone stole everything else. What's that there? Used to turn that big wheel. And turn that big wheel.
I mean, at least, I'm not gonna lie, the color theme on these is actually pretty cool. Blue and pink. I like the teal and pink. If you go over here, you got kind of like the purple, black fade.
Ooh, got green here.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, the color on these actually look kind of nice.
Dead sperm. Or is that a dead balloon?
It's a dead balloon. Or no, it might be a snake. Some game.
Man, we got the whole power grid here.
What was?
Yeah, what was.
Not anymore.
No, someone robbed it off with the copper, probably.
Hello? Anybody down there?
Yes! It's yellow.
Yeah, I think you flip the switch on, it might work.
Let's find out.
This one will probably come out easier.
Yeah. That was loud.
So someone has the
Fixed
power
it.
on here, so let's turn that power off.
Yep. Now everything's off after, what would that be? 50 years?
Probably.
Yeah, 74, 2024.
Man, we got some more floaty water over here.
Whee!
Long hole.
Is that a fridge?
Some kind of framing.
Or a cooler? Well, it looks like someone tried to go down and, got an unfortunate fall.
Okay, that's the basement we saw with the stairs. That's probably a good 8 feet of water down there.
More than that.
We got more water over here.
Look at the steps though. Look how they broke. Those are cats too.
Yep.
They just broke. I wonder if someone tried to go down there.
Could have been they, when they decommissioned it, broke them.
Could be that.
Smacked them with a hammer and snapped them.
That too. You can tell this top one's cracked.
No, when it freezes too, if it's full of water and freezes, it'll break that kind of stuff too.
Yeah, it's cracked. I wouldn't try to go down there.
There's a door over there. You squeeze real tight.
clear. It's probably 4 foot of water.
That's all the crap tanks. Human sewage.
Some of it's filtration too.
Yeah. Was this a sewage treatment plant or a water treatment plant?
It was actually both.
I don't know if I want to drink water out of a sewage treatment plant, but...
No. Whoa, you can see the bottom.
Is it clear?
Yeah, you can see a microwave, a printer. You can see a soccer ball. All kinds of stuff.
Oh yeah, it is pretty clear.
I think the back section was for wastewater, and then the front section, this would have been filtration systems. I believe.
Is that a printer or is that a...
There's a microwave over down here by the barrel.
Yeah, I'm
That's a
talking about that
printer.
white thing.
That's a printer.
You sure it's a printer?
Yeah, ink printer. You can tell the different ink selection on there.
I don't know. I didn't know that was like a change machine or something.
Looks like printer.
It could be a printer. It's white,
Oh,
but I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 different little doors on it. There's a
Yeah.
slide handle on the top.
You're right.
There's a little metal handle on the top of it.
Yep. You sure it's not locking the papers?
No, I wouldn't have a metal handle like that.
I think it's a.
It could be a copier.
It could be. No harm in trying.
Yeah, there's something next to it.
I wouldn't do this though. I can't see the bottom here.
There's 2 round things down there.
Oh, those are drums.
Okay, more drums.
Yep. And then that aluminum cap thing. I don't remember what they're called, but I've seen them before.
Exploring each tank as he goes. Some of the water's really clear so you can see the bottom. Other ones are so murky you can't see nothing. Funny part is I don't see no mosquitoes flying around this area. Could be because the sun's out. But I know when we're in the trees, mosquitoes will eat you alive. Probably because of all the standing water. Actually, I got a tank over here that's empty. We got grass growing in it. That's kind of cool. See how deep the tank is? Actually, can't see it on the GoPro because there you go. We got a really, really deep tank over here. Still got water in it. Spray paint cans like no tomorrow. This is all the graffiti. There you go. We got a Heineken down there. We got drainage slats to drain that tank out. We got water there. Lots of water there. It's got a metal floor down there, metal pan. There could be some of the metal skirting that was covering all the holes. Basement. Got steps out here going up. There's the door for that other spot, but it's really skinny ledge over there because someone took the steel plating off. So I don't know if I trust it over there to walk across that. But it gives you access to all over on the other side. Artwork here. Someone spent a lot of spray paint. A lot of artwork over here. It looks like someone took a hammer to it all, busted up a bunch of the tile all around it. But then we got flowers. We found the exit.
All right. Show us how
We got the swimming pool here. You get behind this tree here. There's a very, very little lip here to get into that other building.
Here.
So hopefully we don't go swimming.
Here, I'll go first. If you want me to go first.
Hold the tree.
I got you.
Got it? I just want to make sure this lip ain't gonna break.
No, it ain't gonna break. Crazier than I am.
Oh, hey, I found a broom! Only thing that's still usable here.
I reckon I am.
We got a broom.
Don't you have the same one?
And we got a fire pit.
What do you got over here?
Yeah. All kinds of artwork here. I don't know how many thousands of dollars people spent in spray paint to do this artwork here. And this is actually kind of cool, this pencil here. Yeah, some Kirby pencil, magic going on with it. That guy actually did a really nice job.
He did. Put a lot of effort. It's like with me, my basis with graffiti and everything is if it's like a nice, pristine, abandoned building or a room, don't vandalize it. But if it's like a ruin, place kind of in the middle of the woods, aren't very well known, I say practice. As long as it's like, you know, not private property or anything. I guess just practice, just don't destroy anything. I mean, I guess this is how you practice, dude. Some people do murals, like legitimately.
Oh man, come on. We got this really nice writing here. And somebody had to put right there in the middle of it. Why?
People just don't care.
Yeah.
It's like, my understanding, the number one rule for graffiti is don't ruin another person's wood. Don't man it, don't ruin it.
Hey, look at here. We got Twisted Tea. I got you with a Twisted Tea.
I don't get, like, there's this wall scoop here.
We got a lot of tanks here that's still full of water up here. We got that basement with the steps we showed you earlier, which is right there. Big old giant hole here in the floor. We have the garage door opener that goes to the loading dock area that's flooded. Right there, this will be the old roll-up garage door. Yep, garage door. And we got the very, very lovely staircase here. It has 2 runs left on it. So that's one giant step.
What we do is we just went up the rail.
You're going swimming and not the best looking water.
No.
Thank you for holding that, Sam.
The tree tried to take me in.
We got stairs here going on out, but that's not the easiest way out. The easiest way out is go through the window. Let's see if we can spin it. Nope. Open up the floodgates. It's all water.
Oh, what the fuck just fell out of my pocket? Oh no, it's something you threw at me.
I didn't throw anything there. I just did that a minute ago.
No, it's something white. I felt something like pop.
I don't know, the water only looks like it's maybe 2 foot deep.
There's a sign down here.
Yeah, it says do not enter.
Is that what that says? Yeah, it says about knee deep down here. And if you go in here, this is actually the end of the flood tunnel. Yeah, this is a flood tunnel right here.
Steps to get out of here, but then all the trees that are growing around the steps are all in the way. Just get another pathway out. Or we just go this way. The way we came in. Weeds and everything right here. I thought this was just tall grass. This is actually one of the tanks. It just filled in.
Hey, Dad.
What? All the railing fell on this side. She's getting old. It's getting decrepit. All unsafe. But we got a staircase right there. In case you fall in, there's a way to get out of that tank. I don't see any way to get out of any of the other tanks, but that one you can get out as long as the ladder's still in good shape. No way to get out of that one over there, but you can get out of that one. Except that hurt falling that far. Man, someone had to throw the refrigerator in. Still floating. All the piping between the tanks. Bloopers.
It's a little shaky for a muscle.
It's a little hollow underneath it when you land it too.
All right, so let's wrap it up for this adventure. I brought my dad to this spot because I have a little bit of experience in this spot, but every time you'll explore something new, even magnet fishing at spots that you've already done 100 times, you'll always find something pretty crazy. Same thing with places like this, urban exploring. So I'm glad I was able to bring my dad out to this adventure. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys on the next one.
Solar powered. Just a bunch of stuff just loaded up on here. But here we go. This cannon is old. There's your foot holding right there. There's your turn dials, your angles, and everything else. Load her up. This is 1918.
Oh, you ruined it for me.
1906. Oh, it's a 1906 model.
Oh.
Studebaker Corporation, 1918.
I was gonna say, so it looks like just after like World War I.
Can't lift it.
No, they probably welded it. Ready? I want you to. So what is this right here that you found?
This is my new toy. We're gonna bring it home. We're hooked to the vehicle.
Look what his magnet pulled out of the river.
I wish I'd find something like that.
Yeah, I don't think we can pull that up. It's probably about 3,000 pounds.
That's probably close to that, if not more. I mean, look at the size of that barrel.
I should say it somewhere. Oh, 2,665 pounds. Northwestern Ordnance Co. 1918. Wow.
Nice old cannon.
Beautiful.
Too bad the green fence is all wrapped up in her. But we have our up and down angles here.
This might be mostly original.
Big old wooden wheels. This thing's sweet looking.
It is. I think this is mostly original.
Someone carved all into the wheel. That kind of is not nice. We got all the turn wheels,
Yeah,
angles.